Gas cooking stove has exploded in a train in Pakistan, sparking a huge fire and killing at least 60 people. Survivors recorded flames tearing through several carriages. That train was on its way from Karachi to Rawalpindi, which is just outside of Islamabad. Kamal Haidar is joining us for an update on what exactly happened, Kamal, and to tell us about the latest death toll that you're hearing.
Well, we're hearing now that at least 60 people have been killed, and there are dozens more who have received severe burn wounds. And now, most of them are under treatment right now. The military has mobilized its helicopters, military doctors as well, to that site. This was the Tezgam train, a very popular train that travels between Karachi and Rawalpindi and vice versa. Apparently, what we are told is that there was a group of missionaries on board. They were proceeding for an annual gathering in the city of Lahore at a place called Raiwind, where all these missionaries get together. But one of those groups apparently was making breakfast in one of the bogies when this accident happened. There was another cylinder on board also, which was the cause of the secondary fire. And because the train was moving, very soon, at least 4 bogies of that train were engulfed in flames. So indeed, a very...
All right, apologies. We seem to have connection issues with Kamal Haidar. He was giving us an update on that explosion on the train that took place. More on that later.